visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find a video, the message is also meant to find you. Tingnan natin kung ano po ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Hermit. So nakikita natin na parang meron ditong longevity, no? Time frame. Meron ditong pwede rin itong malayo. Yung distansya, nakikita natin ang enlightenment. Parang we feel like we need to be wise, no? For making a decision. With the Knight of Swords. So, either minamadali ka na, meron kang minamadali, meron kang gustong ma-experience right away kasi parang matagal na. I'm seeing here there is a sense of urgency because somebody can no longer wait. This can be you or this can be your person, no? You can switch naman the story or the role rather. What I'm reading is the dynamic and this is a general reading naman, no? Tingnan natin ang heart space with the Page of Wands. So parang matagal na tayong magkausap online. So this can be an LDR. Katulad na sabi ko kanina, parang may layo, di ba? This can be an LDR kind of situation, no? It may be situationship, it may be relationship. Kasi ganito na lang ba tayo? Lagi na lang ba tayo nag-uusap probably through FaceTime or through messengers, no? Wala ba tayong time para magkita man lang? Probably meron ditong plan. Siguro that was prior pandemic and pandemic happens. And then nawalan na ng time or baka nagkita nga pero hindi na naulit. With the Hierophant, meron ditong plan before, no? Of walking down the aisle. Siguro nga, no, baka may plan na of pagpapakasal. It just so happened that hindi talaga ito nangyari that time. So ito na yung minamadali natin. Bakit hindi pa natin gawin as early as now or ASAP, no? With the Queen of Wands. Somebody brought this up. Again, it can be you, it can be your person, ha? Somebody brought the topic back. Kailan tayo magpapakasal? Kailan tayo uli magmi-meet? Kailan mo balak magpakita? Kailan mo balak or kailan mo babalakin, no? Bisitahin ako uli? Kailan mo babalakin na mag-propose? Ayan, parang ganyan. Or magsama. It felt like my time is being wasted by waiting. So, ayan. Meron nang naiinip. With the Hangman, bakit parang biglang nagbago? I don't know kung ikaw yung nagbago na nag-aantay or siya nagbago kaya hindi siya pumupunta. That's very interesting. Kasi meron ditong someone is already questioning, no? The the situation, the Four of Wands and the Six of Cups. So, may nagbago ba sa plan? Yun ang tanong. May nagbago ba sa plan? Namimiss mo ba ako talaga? There's a lot of questions, no? Na, na namumuo sa ulo nitong person na ito. Or namimiss na kita. I feel like for a few numbers of you, baka nga kasi meron naman ng marriage, but the person just so happen na talagang malayong malayo and kailan mo babalak umuwi, no? With the King of Wands, the King and Queen of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, meron na ditong usapan talaga, no? Concrete na yung usapan eh. Nauurong lang na nauurong, parang nare-reschedule. And parang kailan ba ang totoong divine timing, no? Nitong mga pangyayaring ito. Kailan mo ba gagawin, no? Itong pangakong ito. With the Queen of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. Ibibigay naman daw sa'yo, antayin mo lang, parang things are already moving. I think nagkaroon dito ng conflict when it comes to schedules, conflict when it comes to finances, conflict because of personal issues. Pero parang sinasabi is hindi naman daw nagbago. Ang nagbabago lang is the date. However, the promises, the kumbaga conviction, no, still the same. So, with the Ten of Swords, so bakit naman? Parang yung nag-aantay dito, parang gustong magbigay ng ultimatum, no? If this is not going to happen now, might as well magkalimutan na. Or parang kung hindi naman ito mangyayari ngayon, wag na lang nating gawin. So parang meron nang nagte-threat, no? Because na parang pinapatay ako ng kahihintay. With the Three of Wands and the Chariot. So with that being said, I feel like hindi naman din siya papayag. So I think that there must something, I think meron ditong uuwi, no? Na-threaten nga siya. From July to October, meron ditong uuwi to pipilitin, no? Gagawin ang lahat. Huwag ka lang magalit or wag lang magalit itong taong ito. So definitely, wala pa rin nagbago, no? Siguro hindi lang naiintindihan. Yung isa siguro thinking you're just making an alibi, but the other person says that is true. Pero yun, gagawin naman. So, makikita nga kayo. This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo'y nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some questions, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yan. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Leo, Gemini, Taurus, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Aries. Scorpio is dominant, Taurus is dominant in Virgo. Aquarius. Yeah, Aquarius is here. And Libra. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.